Hi guys, I'm back again. Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. You can subscribe to me on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube, and also you can follow me on the Star Maker MID 621125095226. Just could not resist to not come again, and that's my pet. I don't care where my pet sits in the daytime, anyways, also. So I was thinking, I said last night that I won't be doing more karaoke's this weekend or next weekend, but couldn't stop myself. I still had time and wanted to burn some more stress because there's so much traffic in my town. And even today, it was a lot of traffic. There was something, I went to the church as well as to near to the Gurdwara as well. There was something happening here. Some Shahidi, there was 550, 350, sorry. And there was so much traffic, and in the evening also there was so much traffic. And talking about chalans, man, damn, there's so much they charge for chalans in my city. I don't know about India. Traffic is, I think, must be a lot in every city. But like talking about Dehradun, there's a lot of traffic. Now coming to my name, Rohit, that's my identity. My rest of my name is just a PAN card and Aadhaar card thing. There was a phase in my life when I felt like I needed people, but there was no one around. And now I proudly say that probably if someone feels offended, they can even not subscribe to me. But the fact is, my only identity is Rohit. That's why I'm not part of. I'm not. You won't see me. You won't be able to. I won't tell you what's my full name. But yeah, there is a full name which I've got, which is Rohit N. But like N with the surname. But I will be only using Rohit. So Rohit is back again. And talking about karaoke's, I did last night 5 Punjabis, and I told you I won't be doing more Punjabi karaoke's because that's very tough for me. Which included the old ones, and even I got a copyright for one of them, Hatta Di Lakira. Just I wrote a second Punjabi Hatta Di Lakira. For that also I got a copyright. It's only one country. Then there was another one, Manne Anaman, and 3 of Sartaj, Satinder Sartaj. I always feel like my observation, the most easiest is doing karaoke in Hindi, then in English, then in Punjabi for me, and other regional languages are even more tougher. So let me begin karaoke, and I'm going to begin karaoke with a line from Bengali, which I really love because singleism rocks. And the karaoke which I'm doing first would be from, I saw a pic of SRK, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan last time, so a track from their movie, one of the oldest movies when they were together in one movie. I will be doing that. So let's begin. And before that, as I said, I'll be starting karaoke with this line. एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो रे एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो रे. Let's start. You can subscribe to me on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. Even my bathroom singing has improved in the last couple of years. It's time to burn stress. I'll be starting with this and then something different. सूरज कब दूर गगन से, चंदा कब दूर किरण से, खुशबू कब दूर पवन से, कब दूर बहार चमन से. ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है. ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है. सूरज कब दूर गगन से, चंदा कब दूर किरण से, खुशबू कब दूर पवन से, कब दूर बहार चमन से. ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है. तुम ही मेरे जीवन हो, तुम देख देख जी लूंगी। तुम ही मेरे जीवन हो, तुम देख देख जी लूंगी। मैं तो तुम्हारी खातिर दुनिया का जहर पी लूंगी। तेरे पावन चरणों में आकाश झुका देंगे हम। तेरी राह में जो शोले हो तो खुद को बिछा देंगे हम। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है। ममता के मंदिर की है तू सबसे प्यारी मूरत। ममता के मंदिर की है तू सबसे प्यारी मूरत। भगवान नजर आता जब देखे तेरी सूरत। जब जब दुनिया में आए तेरा ही आंचल पाए। जन्मों की दीवारों पर हम प्यार अपना लिख जाएंगे। बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है। ये बंधन तो कब दूर बहार चमन से। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है। ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है। जन्मों का संगम है, संगम है, हो संगम है। So the challenge is whenever I'm doing karaoke, I said that I won't be taking any breaks, and even if my phone rings, like in between my phone started ringing, so it went from, it would have been A level plus, but I got A plus. So सूरज का बधूर गगन से, चंदा का बधूर किरण से, बंधन तो. So next up I will do one more, and that's basically a ghazal. Whenever we talk about ghazals, people say this is old age. No, not really true. If you carefully observe ghazals, when you carefully observe the videos of the ghazals, most of them, it takes you through all the phases: happy, sad, a kid, adult, a young person, old person, anyone can always connect with the videos, and they are always related to your life. So yesterday night when I was sitting, I was listening. I always end up listening to music, and this is just to burn my stress, and today I'm not taking much of a time. I'll just doing this one, and this is the second one again. Hopefully no calls come in that period. So this is just one ghazal which I will be doing, which is like a beautifully sung by Jagjit Singh ji and Lata Mangeshkar ji, which I've already done in the past also on YouTube and Star Maker app. My ID on the Star Maker app is 6211250956, and also on YouTube is Rohit Wandering Stallion. So you can subscribe me there, and hopefully I get a few followers soon, subscribers as well. So this is the beautiful ghazal which was running on my mind, and I want to end my set. And sometimes the evenings, mostly on weekends, when you observe when it becomes darker in the winters also, the weather is such where and if you go to any restaurants also, you just for a normal dinner also, you want to listen to really light music. And that's when it comes to light music, it's mostly about ghazals, the short ghazals. And if someone observed ghazals of the amazing Jagjit Singh ji, that's really amazing. So this I'm doing Gam Ka Khazana Tera Bhi Hai. Hopefully I get it right. Yeah, I got it. It's already on the top of the list there. I think I've already done well in the past also with this one. So here I go with a beautiful ghazal. To end the evening, it might take another 5 minutes. Hopefully, I'll be able to done. Yeah. गम का खजाना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। गम का खजाना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। ये नजराना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। अपने गम को गीत बना कर गा लेना, अपने गम को गीत बना कर गा लेना। राग पुराना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। राग पुराना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। गम का खजाना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। तू मुझको और मैं तुझको समझाऊं क्या, तू मुझको और मैं तुझको समझाऊं क्या। दिल दीवाना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। दिल दीवाना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। गम का खजाना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। शहर में गलियों जिसका चर्चा है, शहर में गलियों गलियों जिसका चर्चा है। वो अफसाना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। वो अफसाना तेरा भी है, मेरा भी। मैं खाने की बात न कर वैज़ मुझसे, मैं खाने की
बात न कर वैज मुझसे, आना जाना तेरा भी है मेरा भी, गम का खजाना तेरा भी है मेरा भी, ये नजराना तेरा भी है मेरा भी, गम का खजाना तेरा भी है मेरा भी.
So I got a double plus on this one.
गम का खजाना तेरा भी है मेरा भी, ये बंधन तो प्यार का बंधन है, जन्मों का संगम है.
So you can follow me on the Star Maker ID 6211250956 and also on Rohit Wandering Stallion on the YouTube. Subscribe me there. So goodbye for now. What I will be doing today, I need to take a shower again as well. I'll be going out for a walk with the pet because there's no gym today. So time to say goodbye to you before anyone calls and my video is gone wrong. Thank you everyone, and do subscribe to me over there and follow me as well. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now. Have a nice weekend. See you someday again. Bye bye for now.